Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, I think it's the 17th or 18th of September, and we are harvesting soybeans. This is the first dump that I've done here today. These beans are running about 14%. They're seed beans. They were just inspected. The inspector just left a minute ago. And 80% chance of rain tonight. So we thought, normally we don't like to work on Sunday if we can help it, but hey, 80% chance of rain. The beans are fit. Thought we better get them. So that's what we're doing. So we've kind of got a full crew on today. We got editor slash key grip Wesley is in the other combine. He's opening up the other field. There's 3 fields on this farm. You kind of cut into a whole bunch of little pieces. We've got a breeder plot, a test plot, lots of messing around. So I'll bring you back when we get going here. Yeah, well, we got the auto steer working today, which is a good thing. Anyway, these are non-GMO variety. And I don't believe we're going to put this farm into wheat. It was corn last year, and we've got quite a few fields that were beans and beans. Some of them 3 years beans, so we're trying to get everything switched around to corn. These beans are running pretty good. We got here is we got a 35-foot draper on this S660. Works pretty good. I don't go too fast. I usually run around 4 miles an hour. I'm only going 3.6. There's a few green pods and these are few green leaves. But right now it says 13.5. They're dry, so hey. With this variety, you sometimes see that where the beans will be dry, but yet you'll still have a few green leaves. Some varieties aren't like that. If there's green leaves, then they're tough. So every variety is a little bit different. What we usually do, these are planted in 15-inch rows. What we usually do is kind of cut them on a little bit of an angle. That way you don't seem to smash as many down. Well, it's my first round. You know, it's Sunday. I've picked up something already. So the first thing I do, I flip that lock down so if a hydraulic line goes, it won't mush the old soybean, man. That'd be bad news. And I have a rule: you never get out of the combine unless you take this thing, especially when I'm harvesting corn. Anyway, I have picked up, I don't know what it is. Odd hunk of wood of some kind. This head is like a magnet to that kind of crap. Anyway, that was a simple fix. I'll throw that in the cab. Make sure it gets thrown away. That way I won't pick it up next year. Anyway, the belt's turning. And we're back in business. It's actually a pretty nice day. The wind's blowing, as you can see by the flag. We got a nice breeze. The sun's shining, but it is threatening rain. It'll rain tonight, I hope. We've got a little bit of wheat in. A little bit of rain won't hurt the wheat. And we've got a lot of beans that just aren't ready yet, and a rain will bring them on. Now what I've just done here is I've cut out what's called a breeder plot. And because this soybeans are a self-pollinating crop, what you have to do to maintain the variety is every year you have to rogue a small plot. You start with your breeder seed, and you plant a whole field, and out of that you take a plot, and it's rogued and inspected separately to a little bit higher standards, and then it'll be combined separately and processed separately, and that'll be our foundation seed for next year, and that'll be where we get our breeder plot. Next year will come out of that seed. So every year that has to be done, and you cut around it when you're doing it. We had the guys out here and girls on Friday rogue the plot, and when you rogue, you go through, and if there's any bean that doesn't look like the rest, which is what we call off types, you pull that out. If you followed our channel last spring, we bought a Salford LTS machine, and we never got a chance to use it. And since we're right close to the farm shop, Jared's got it out today, and he wanted to set the teeth on the back. It's hard to set any machine without putting it in the ground, and we had everything planted when we got that machine finished, so we never really took it to the field. So he's out here in the bean field this afternoon setting the there's fingers on the back, and the rolling hairs, they got to be set. Everything has to be changed because we put new fingers on it. They were 4 inches longer than the ones that were on it before, so all that has to be done. If we want to get that done, we're gonna RTS a farm, one of our farthest away farms, and we thought if we're going to do that, we should at least make sure that it's going to work when we get there. So that's what he's doing today. And I've got Wes is over there combining. A little dusty here. I'm not sure how it's working, but they seem to be satisfied. I don't know. Always when you get a piece of machinery, there's always adjustments to be made. Well, I guess we're done. That's gonna about do it for this video, I guess. We got the wagons all put inside. We got that field done before the rain. Anyway, if you've liked this video, give us a like and a subscribe. And if you've got a minute, give us a comment. And I'll catch you on the next one. Right, Corey?
Yeah.
What do you say, Corey?
Well, Grandpa, I guess we're being...
Ha!